What's going on, everybody? Welcome to CJ's first cooking show. We are on a different set today. Obviously, as you can see, I normally don't have a fire truck behind me.
Are you, really?
Are you sure?
If you guys didn't know, this is my buddy, Travis Pack, also known as Captain Pack Sparrow. The man, the myth, the legend. We are here at his firehouse with his boys who take care of this community. And so,
his Blackstone.
Oh, I didn't tell you guys. I'm making an Italian chopped cheese. So today, he's gonna show me some really cool stuff that he does with his job. Kind of like last time. If you haven't seen it, go check out the fishing episodes. That's actually where Travis first showed up on the scene with us. Can we stop?
No, we can't.
Can we stop?
No, we can't.
And he showed me how to, to do a little fishing and whatnot.
How to dangle.
Yeah.
I showed her how to dangle.
A little rough.
Little rough. I think I'll redeem myself today. So he showed us how to take care of some fishing adventures. Today he's also gonna show us some Firehouse fireman adventures. All right, we're ready to do this.
Okay.
And normally we ring a bell and we don't have a bell.
No bell.
No bell.
What the bell?
Hey, I have something.
Yeah? That works, dude.
Yeah.
All right. So as we normally do, we ring it, we bring it.
We
Gatorade
hydrate.
style.
Cheers to Gatorade.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
Quick question, my man. Have you ever had pancetta?
Don't know what that is.
Great. No, you have not. All right, so this is pancetta. Come on over here, boys. This is like a thick, beautiful Italian, it's almost like prosciutto and bacon, but you can't just eat it as is, you gotta cook it. But it's fatty, it's delicious. And we're gonna go with this first because I'm gonna be cooking all of my other ingredients in the prosciutto fat.
Also known as pancetta.
That's what I meant to say. Strike that, reverse it. Strike that, reverse it.
You don't know what it is either.
Yeah, shut up, Richard. Shut up, Richard. All right, so dude, I've got you a knife right here. There's your onion, I've got my onion. We need to slice up some yellow onion. Now, yellow onion I use pretty much all the time, and can I tell you why?
Why?
I'm glad that you asked.
Thanks for asking.
Two reasons. Number one, it's delicious and sweet when it caramelizes on the griddle top. And number two, when I started learning how to cook, the guy that was teaching me how to cook pretty much always used yellow onion.
Was it Nate?
That would be Nate.
Okay.
This guy, who's got two thumbs and
You're
likes to
welcome,
eat
Nate.
yellow onion.
This guy.
Now we want these to be diced up pretty small. They're gonna kind of liquefy and caramelize once they get down on the griddle
Now
top.
you're talking.
And oh, dude, speaking of the griddle top, we need to check on our pancetta. Let's toss that around a little bit, dude. Are you seeing this beautiful rendered
Bubbly
fat?
gold.
Looky there.
Look
Would
at
you
look
look
at
at- would you just
Look
look
at that.
Look at-
Look
would you
at that.
look at
Right
that?
there. Just look at that.
Would you look at that?
That is what we want, dude. We want all of this delicious rendered fat for our onions to go in. And speaking of fat and onions, let's get on to our protein.
I didn't think that's where you were going.
I didn't either.
Speaking
I
of
was like,
fat,
he's gonna call me fat or
Travis,
something.
We gotta work on some stuff here, guy. Getting ready for that fire.
Okay, Dad, Bob.
Firehouse.
All right.
That guy in a little coat.
This was real.
I'm a dad, you jerk. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm here with Travis, and obviously we're still here at their station, and I wanted him to kind of give us a little rundown of the station, some of the cool things about it. Obviously, one of the coolest things is the fire truck. Can we see the inside? Because I kind of want to see
You
the
want to honk
truck.
the horn?
I want to.
Yeah,
I want to honk the horn. Yeah. All right, I'm in a fire truck.
You're in a fire truck.
All right, I made it.
Hey, where's the horn right there?
There's
Yeah.
no. Is there no?
No, right here.
They don't have the. Gotta really get on it. That's awesome.
You want to see something else cool?
Yes.
So this is, as you can probably tell, larger diameter hose. So what you got on the side is 1 3/4, and this is 2.5 inch hose. So this is like.
Watch where you're pointing that thing.
Hey, watch where you putting that thing.
So bigger water, bigger fire.
So it's
you're gonna
pretty,
be putting this down.
like from what I've seen on videos, it's like hard to handle, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
What are the chances that I could try
But a
that?
girl like you and a guy like me.
A guy like you and a girl like me.
What are the chances that I could give this a run?
I think I'll make it happen for you.
Yeah!
So, next thing. So I'm gonna let you hold on to this.
Yeah.
Careful, careful.
Benny, screw you! Hey, Ethan. Put your finger there for $5.
Don't do it.
I'm kidding,
Ethan, don't
Ethan.
do it. Where's the pole? Can we slide down the pole?
No, this is a one-story station, so.
Wrap it up, we're out! I've actually always wanted to wear like the helmet and the gear. Can I check that out?
Yeah.
Or
It's not a Halloween store. It's not a
It
costume.
kind of feels like it.
But here's the deal: is you got to put the gear on fast. And I got another guy here that can put his gear on fast too. So you want to race him?
Is he good?
Yes.
Yes,
He
he's
is.
the best.
Well, find me the worst and I'll race that. So me and you, we're on.
Yeah.
Ayo! Dude, that liquid gold is money. We're gonna go into that with our beef and our Italian sausage. Now with this, we're gonna do 2 parts sausage, 1 part beef. Chop that up. We're gonna season with a little bit of salt and pepper.
Smells amazing.
Move it all
already.
together. And now,
Insane.
my friends, we are on to the bruschetta.
Bruschetta.
Don't lie to me, you know you say bruschetta.
No, I said bruschetta.
I want to make bruschetta.
Bruschetta is pretty easy. It's, do you know how to slice a tomato?
Sure. You want you just find
He
some?
knows-
I did that because remember when
Okay.
we were fishing and you're like, oh, do you know how to fish?
You guys know how to fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, sorry, I don't want to speak for CJ.
I've fished.
Oh,
Yeah.
He did say that.
Full
You're the
circle.
expert now.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
right.
yeah.
You're in my world now.
First cooking show.
This is mine. This is totally mine.
Okay.
All right, here we go. So we got our tomatoes. We're gonna start slicing these up. We wanna get them into small dice. Dice? Yeah, small dice. Basically, our tomatoes and our onions, we want them to be about the same size. Get them into a good dice. I just would like to take a moment to observe whose tomatoes look better. So here's my tomatoes, and then there's Pac's tomatoes. And I said I would like a small dice.
Can we cut back to the?
Let's review that footage of the fish fillet.
Yeah.
I know,
Can we cut
I
back
know,
to that?
whatever.
That'd be great. The skin off.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna fish tacos. We don't need the skin today.
Yeah, we don't want that
need
skin.
There you go.
So
So
there's skin.
just guess who's CJ's and which
I'm
one's
gonna
mine.
say
Add that to a bowl. To that, we're gonna add some olive oil, some salt, and some
Oh,
pepper.
red onion. You need
and
that red
now,
onion.
oh right, the onion. I forgot about the
onion.
red
Onion.
I said onion, didn't I?
Onion.
Well, it's onion. It's a red onion. We're gonna add that to the bowl as well. Do a little bit of salt and pepper,
basil.
a little bit of olive oil. And now this is something I'm gonna do today different than I normally do. Normally I would chop up and mince a lot of garlic, but today I'm gonna do a little bit of garlic powder
Nice.
because it's just gonna be quicker. And the very last thing I'm gonna be doing is some basil. We're gonna
Basil.
do a chiffonade
Basil.
of this here real quick. If you don't know,
Schiff and what?
the chiffonade.
Okay.
Did you get that? The chiffonade.
Schiff of what?
As in chiffonade, dude.
Okay.
Nice.
So when a fire comes in, time is a luxury. So the key is to put your gear on as fast as possible. So to get you a little used to it and see what we have to deal with.
Speed.
Speed is key here. So we're gonna have you put the gear on, and we're gonna have you go against one of our guys.
Ah,
Yeah.
old Luke.
Yep.
This guy's been hanging out at the Tashi station looking for some power converters. See what he did there?
But I was going into Toshi Station to pick up some power converters.
Yeah, but what's the third one for?
Oh, we have one more person.
Oh, me? Yup.
Okay.
Yup. Put the camera down.
Come on, Easy E, let's do this.
Fraser versus Skywalker.
All right.
You're going down, Skywalker.
I'm
Your
gonna
dad
say-
sucks.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
No shoes? Oh, I watch enough firefighter movies.
Okay.
Gotta work out the beard, man.
All right.
Skywalker's killing it.
got
Due to this not being on, it's not even strapped up. Oh, jeez.
I don't
We're
think
gonna
you
give
won.
this one
It was a close call.
easy win to Luke.
All right, minus some whack tomatoes and some unfortunate onions. Poor unfortunate soul. But true. We're gonna come over here and yeah, dude, our beef and sausage is done. Our onions are caramelized and amazing. Hey, Pac, will you do me a solid and grab that mozzarella?
Mozzarella?
Go. Yeah, mousse it in.
Mousse. So this is where like
keep
real
going.
chopped cheese technique comes in.
Keep going,
Delicious
keep
beef,
going.
Lots of cheese.
Lots of cheese.
Mixed into a gooey mess.
Gooey. All right, we'll start there.
Whoa.
All right, while I'm doing this, will you grab us our tutto Italiano? Dude, the smell and all of this pancetta fat is doing what it was designed to do. And look at that mozzarella.
Like glue.
Oh no.
Oh, but that's
I said
we do
tutto
need that.
Italiano, but
Tutto Italiano?
you don't know your seasonings.
He can't
Come
read
on.
Italian.
Is that the red or the white?
Tutto, okay, I found.
Whoa, now
There
slow
we go.
down.
There we go.
Grab that loaded Italian sear and syrup. that you
Holy.
have. Go for it. Dude, I think it's time to bring back some pancetta. You going with the sear and serve?
Probably what? A third of that bottle?
Yeah, decent amount. Keep going, keep going. All right, we'll stop there. We'll see how we do.
Dang.
Are you boys seeing this back there? You're not. You want to see this? Yes, they'll get a cat out of the tree, but they can't come and look at my cheese. Done. It is time to build this. What we're gonna do to build this is we're gonna get some nice hoagie buns, slice those down the middle, open them up. You could toast them if you like. Today, I'm not gonna toast them. I'm gonna add a healthy amount of our ingredients. The sausage, beef, pancetta mixture,
Yeah.
a whole bunch of that into there. Then we're gonna top it with this bruschetta. Going to dust a little bit of Parmesan cheese
Good
on
Lord.
there.
Are you
And
done?
we are going, we
No.
are gonna drizzle with some balsamic glaze. And my friends,
What about all this Parmesan cheese right here?
That's what I just said.
Oh, I wasn't
He's not
listening.
What kind of glaze?
I wasn't listening.
I'm like, how did I say it?
Yeah.
Balsamic? I said it
Balsamic?
forever.
Is that correct, Nate?
Balsamic.
How do you say it?
Let me show you how to say it. You say balsamic.
Balcony.
Dude,
Yeah.
did I redeem myself from the filet
They look
debacle?
amazing.
No?
Totally redeem yourself.
And totally redeem yourself!
That a boy!
There you go,
All right,
yeah.
all right.
Put 'em in the
Okay, so
coat
dude, we gotta try this. Which one is yours?
I will take this one right
Okay,
here.
I'm going to slice mine in half so we can kind of see some of the guts as to what's going on here. All right, boys, you hungry back there? All right, come on up here. We're gonna try this. Oh,
Show me
dude,
that
look at
goodness.
that. Cheesy,
Come on.
beefy, sausagey, balsamic-y, glazy, bruschetta-y. Please be honest with me.
That balsamic right up there, man. Unspecial.
Okay. That's really
Oh wait,
freaking
they
good.
need to build theirs. They got their stuff
Okay,
over here.
yeah. You guys, come on in. Come on in. All right, so there's gonna be a lot of pressure with this.
Sure
I'm
is.
obviously geared out for safety pig. Ethan, you want to earn $5?
You want to make $5 the hard way?
Hey, you want to make $14 the hard way?
Let's do this, boys!
E, you ready?
I'm ready!
Prepare for dive!
Prepare for Dave!
Did I get you wet?
Yeah, we're good. That's nothing. Oh, geez.
There we go.
That didn't look too bad.
Nah, it wasn't that bad. It was just like a large shower.
More pressure!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
How'd I do, boys? How was the food? What'd you guys think?
Very good.
All right, excellent.
Good job.
Great episode here at the Lakeland Firehouse, or one of the Lakeland Firehouses.
Yep.
But it couldn't be my episode if we didn't wrap it up the right way. We've got to
The right
do
way.
the way the good Lord intended.
Yeah, if you write it.
We read it. So guys, this is how we play the game. You guys leave comments on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever for my episode, maybe even Nate's show. I screenshot really funny ones, really nice ones, and we just reveal it for the world.
Do you have one from my show
All-
this week?
No, I don't.
Yeah, are you going to mention what you did on your private little video over there?
What are you talking about?
That the previous #1 best recipe here is mine?
The old one? Fun fact, a moment ago, everybody hailed that their favorite recipe was actually not one of my recipes, because old Captain Pack here does the cooking around here. But they love the chimichurri quesadilla. Except, I did just hear momentarily ago that we might not have a new winner.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I've never had Nate's.
You don't need to have Nate's. So we're gonna start from the top in no particular order. And my man, you're closest. This one comes from Pinchin 1970. We're gonna start with a little bit of nice one.
She says, love your show. My daughter walked in the other day as we were binge watching and was like, what? someone that quotes more than we do. She stayed around and watched us laugh out loud. Anybody can do a cooking show. Not everybody can serve it up as fun as you guys do.
That's
Great
right.
team.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
Give it
That's
up,
what I'm
give it
talking
up.
about. All right, so
these are positive.
We're just
Okay.
starting it off with a
Okay.
little positivity because my man here, he exudes positivity.
He's
So
waiting for what
when we're
always
done,
for.
we obviously ring it and bring it. So here, cheers
Cheers,
to Gary.
cheers,
and
cheers,
Mountain Dew.
cheers, cheers.
To
1970.
1970. This next one comes in from Jennifer White Wolf. And I'm gonna go ahead and let you read this one. There we go.
It's fine.
Let's hear what Jennifer had to say.
This would be far more appetizing without the throwing up emoji tats.
The gross tattoos, really? Tattoos
Oh,
make
wow.
my food?
Oh,
Like,
Wow.
hang on.
Ouch.
Yeah, they're pretty gross.
They are gross
Your
and
mom-
unfinished.
I'm in food production, my budget's limited. And also I'm a dad, you jerk, so rub it in, dad bod, no money, no tattoos. All right,
The gross tats.
jerk. Okay, so this next one comes in from Carol Dupree, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let you read that one right over there.
Quit horsing around and make the food. You know, I say that about every shift at Travis.
If you had tattoos, they would suck too. Here's to horsing around or not horsing around. Yeah, that's just,
Ouch.
honestly, Carol, it's just not gonna happen.
Thanks, boss.
All right, I'm gonna read this one. This one comes in from Pinhead Larry _13.
Oh, I can't wait for this one.
Nice handle. This is great, actually. Well, going off of the favorite comments, I'm guessing the secret ingredient in the sauce is haters' tears.
I changed my mind about Pinhead.
Pinhead, my man.
Way to be, buddy.
I actually jar up the tears, and that's what we poured over with the loaded Italian sear and serve today.
What else are you gonna do with them?
Here's to the haters' tears.
Haters' tears.
And the tasty Gatorade. Okay, this next one comes in from Brandon Griffey.
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 Old Griff.
Old Griff.
Yeah.
Good old Griff, as in old Greg.
I'm all Craig.
I'm gonna let you go ahead and read this one, buddy.
Okay. This video should be shown to all YouTubers as an example on how to lose followers. God.
Dude.
Wow.
And you wrote, ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha, bro, that was brutal.
It's brutal.
Here's
Cheers to Brandon.
to all you YouTubers out there. Here's
Yeah.
what you shouldn't do. All right, so we're gonna wrap it up with this tasty little gem. This one comes in from Captain Kirk. This one says, CJ, for a cooking show, your recipes are mediocre, and most of your dishes so easy a child could do them. But as a comedian, your show is a nice break from the stress of the day. I continue to watch your show for the laughs, but watch Nate, Todd, Betty, Bruce, and Destination Delicious for good recipes.
I mean,
Ouch, that one
I
cut
get
deep.
it.
You cut me real deep just now.
Well, Captain Kirk, my man, you just made it to comments of the week. That is definitely, how we wrap it up. Little spice, little naughty, little nice. Either way, the sandwiches were good.
Mazel, mazel. Good things.
We're at Station 3 today, and I appreciate it.
Perfect.
Time to
Who's
suit
going?
up.
We got an opening now.
Wow.
If anybody wants to jump in.
Settle up, partner.
Saddle up, partner.
All right, guys, we are wrapping up today. Thanks so much for hanging out with us at Station 3 here in Lakeland with Travis Pack. Be sure to go check out the other show, Nate's shows, Todd's show, Betty's show, Destination Delicious. Bruce is on the Bayou, but this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right. We will see you guys in the next Firehouse.